Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Arturia Pigment 5. The first thing, I bought this plugin from pluginforest.com. They offer instant download, lifetime activation and future free updates. They also offered 24/7 live chat support. If you have any issue, you can contact to them and they're gonna help you instantly. So once you buy from pluginforest.com, you will get the zip file. The first thing you have to do is unzip the file. So once you unzip the folder, go to the folder, you will get the setup file. Simply install, run as administrator, click next. Make sure you have select all of this one or hit next and install. Okay, once installation is done, click finish. Now close everything. Open your DAW. I'm using Ableton. Boom, there you go. Everything is working fine. Enjoy your plugin. Peace.